There is a delightful piece of timing. First seat up.
Well, that's been heaved over mid-wicket for 4.
That's gone, that's 6. Beautifully played, straight as an arrow. He's got serious talent, Babar Azam, and here's a glimpse of it. Oh, that's gone, 6. There's pure timing for you, and class as well. Babar Azam likes that area, that V area, that straight hit. Yeah, that's his 50. It's a good knock. That'll give him a lot of confidence. It's a mood lifter. 50 from 47. He had to wait for a long time to play a knock like this, and well, it has come. And they would want their number 3 batsman to be in good silky touch. 100 comes up for Karachi Kings as well.